What is good, guys? Welcome to episode 1 of the 225k FTMO journey. If you guys didn't know, I'm starting a series documenting my journey to getting funded with 225k with FTMO. Basically, I'm going to be taking the 25k challenge and then using that money to do a 100k challenge and then using that money to fund another 100k challenge. And FTMO lets you combine all three accounts, and so at the end of the journey I'll have one $225,000 account to trade with. Of course, I'm going to be documenting every step of the way. I'm going to also be showing you guys live trades. There's a couple live trades in this video as well, and I don't think anyone else on YouTube has done anything like this, so subscribe if you enjoyed the video and to keep up with the series. But basically, I have 22 trading days to gain 10% on the account, and today marks day 11, which is officially the halfway point. And this video is going to be a breakdown of the first 11 days, and I also have live trades as well. So it's going to be pretty fun to watch, and I think you guys will learn a lot from these live trades. So stick around to the end to see how the first half went. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with this series. So if you enjoyed the video at the end, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for episode 2 to see the results of the 25k challenge. Without further ado, let's get right into the video with day 1 of the challenge. Alright guys, so day 1, I took one trade on GJ and I lost about 0.5%. I managed my risk very well on this trade though, and after that loss I just called it a day. Day 2 of the challenge, I took a small loss on pound yen, but I managed to make my money back on gold. I ended off the day at pretty much break even. I was up maybe $38, which isn't even close to 0.5%. Day 3 was kind of the same way. I actually didn't even really take a trade. I kind of entered these trades and exited them right away. It was really a slow day for volume, and I didn't really feel comfortable taking any more trades after those ones. So I ended off the day with pretty much break even again, $30 in profit. Day 4 was a terrible day for me. I lost 3% in one day. As you can see, I took pretty big losses. I did manage my risk, but I kind of over traded. My general rule is to risk 1 to 3% per day, and I did end up losing 3% today, and I just called it a day after that. I did over trade a little bit, but I stayed within my 1 to 3% rule. It is what it is at the end of the day. So yeah, massive loss. This was my worst day of the challenge so far. And then day 5 comes around. I placed a trade on GJ. I actually took this trade live, so I'll play the clip right now. Alright guys, I took a impulse entry. I'll show the recording on my phone. I took my trade right here as price broke below this level of support, and I'm just targeting this major level right here, like I said, and stops above this candle. So yeah, if price comes above its own high here, then this trade is pretty much done. So that's why my stop is there. And so far sitting in about $80 profit, so let's see. I did gain about 0.5% on this trade. And then after that, I didn't record it, but I took a couple really nice trades on Euro JPY and gold, and I ended off the day with 1% in profit, which is around $250, as you can see. And so that leaves us with our week 1 results of negative $673, which is just under 3%. I think it's around 2.75%, which is a terrible start to this challenge. I was super frustrated, but 2.75% is not that much. We managed our risk very well. It was a very bad week, and we didn't manage to go too far into the negative. So that was week 1. So day 6, which is week 2 of the challenge, I took a really nice trade on pound yen. I gained around 1% on my account, so $250, and I did record this trade live, so I'll play the clip right now. Alright, what is going on, guys? I just placed a trade. I placed a short position right here. My stop loss is above this candle. We made some resistance here, and we broke the low of this previous candle right here. So I'm anticipating price to come down and test this support. On the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to cut my position in half if price goes above this candle here, and my overall stop loss is above this candle. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'll show you a recording on my phone. This is a live trade, guys. Alright guys, this is how the trade turned out. I just basically moved my stop to break even and I closed my trade out right here. Price was kind of bouncing around for a little bit too long and I thought, it'd be best to just secure profits here. It was a great trade, especially for a Monday. It was really nice to start the week out with a winning trade. So day 7 was kind of a break-even day. I took a lot of trades, but they just kind of ended up canceling each other out. So day 7, it was almost kind of a break-even morning for me. During the New York session, I made around $80, which is maybe 0.25%, as you can see, but my trades kept canceling each other, and so I called it a day. But later on in that day, around the Asian session, I caught a nice trade on USD CAD, but I did manage to make around $90 on that trade. And so for day 7, I gained around $173, as you can see. And yeah, so that's like a 0.5% gain, and I'm pretty happy about that. Day 8, which was a Wednesday, was a super good day for me. I managed to gain around 3% on my account. All right guys, it is the same day. I just placed another trade on Euro JPY. We had this support being formed here, so I just waited for a candle to close below it, which it did on the 15-minute. And I entered right there. And now I actually closed half of my position. And I put my stop loss to break even. So now I'm just letting this runner run. And my targets are on the 4-hour here, targeting this next level of support. But I actually want to put my target here just before the support, just in case. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. So $713, as you can see. So yeah, day 8, absolutely awesome. It canceled out last week's 3% loss, which is really good. Day 9, which is Thursday, I managed to gain around $60, which was kind of a break-even day again. I didn't record any trades, but this was the result of day 9. Day 10 of the challenge, I took a 1% loss, which was a loss of $250. This was just one of those trades that, it was a setup that I would take 10 out of 10 times, and it just didn't work out this time. It was just one of those days where the setup was perfect and the trade just didn't go my way. And that leaves us for today, which is day 11, and I managed to gain around $73, which is a 0.5%. It was a roller coaster today. I was up around 1.8%, and then I was down a 0.5%, and then I kind of made my way back up to 1% net profit. So pretty good week 2 result. I managed to gain $970 over these past couple of days, which is around 3.5% in total. So halfway point, we are up 1% on the account, which is pretty bad, guys. This is a terrible start to the challenge, but we're still in it. We still have a whole nother half to go. The first week was really bad. I don't expect another week like that for the rest of the month. So hopefully we hit that 10% by the end of the month. And as a safety net, FTMO actually allows you to retake the challenge for free if you're in profit and haven't broken any of the trading rules. So if I don't hit that 10%, I'm going to be redoing the challenge for free, which is honestly really relieving. And of course, I'm going to do a lot better the second time around. However, it's still not over. I can still hit 10% pretty easily. I just got to have a good 2 weeks. So that's going to wrap up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the live trades. I plan on, recording a ton of live trades throughout this series. Again, nobody has ever done this on YouTube as far as I know. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did. Comment any questions you have or any suggestions or ideas on educational content that you would like me to post. And yes, subscribe to stay tuned with the rest of the series and to see what happens in episode 2 at the end of this 25K challenge. I'm as excited as you are. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.